up? And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you something that's going to help you earn over $375 in cold hard cash with just a few clicks of a button. I know you guys are going to love it, so let's go on to... What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. You can do this from absolutely anywhere around the world, and just by doing what I'm going to be showing you, you are going to be earning a lot of money all in under a minute. It's completely free. It's easy. You won't need any skills or any prior experience at all because it's completely beginner friendly. All you need to have is a laptop or even just your mobile phone, and of course a stable internet connection, and you're pretty much good to go. So make sure you watch the whole thing. So let's do it. So our website that I'm going to be showing you guys first is called freecash.com. And basically what you do on this website is you're gonna first make an account. It's free and it's easy, and all you have to do is enter in all of the details being asked of you, like your name, your email, a password, your birthday, and etc. And or you can just easily sign up by using already an existing Gmail account, a Steam account, or whatsoever. So this website is a website that lets you earn money, e-wallet balance, by completing surveys and doing tasks. It's a very easy way to earn extra money without the extra hassle. Free Cash is one of the trusted offer walls and get paid to website on the internet as of current. Even if it's only been running for about 2 years, it's already registered as a legit business in Germany and already has 1 million active users every single day. So Free Cash works in a lot of platforms and a lot of devices. It can work on iOS devices, it can work on Android devices, it can do iPads and laptops and computers and literally anything, so don't even worry about it because the platform really is very compatible to a lot of the devices, to a lot of the softwares. So it's really something for everyone. Free Cash works with several other companies, like the publishers of Lords Mobile that want to advertise their apps, service, and products. And a task could be maybe downloading an app, and then you could reach level 10 in this amount of time, and then you can earn points for that. And to get started, basically, you're going to choose an offer or a survey, and we do recommend that you try the featured offers at the top of the earn page where you're signed in, and you can go ahead and open up your first free case where you can spin and earn up to 250 using the code FREE. If you don't have a referral code available, if you spin a case, you can just earn a reward ranging from 5 cents all the way up to $250. I want you to comment down below what your country is, like where you live, where you reside in, and what is your favorite or preferred payment method, so that my next video will be more relevant to our subscribers. Let's keep going then. Now, once you're done using up your case or your spin, you can go back and take a look at some of the tasks. Now, these tasks that you're seeing over here can offer you a ton of different options, and each of these tasks, each of these offers you different cash rewards from 25 cents to $15 to $250. Now, if you don't see your balance, it's actually the points there located on the upper right corner beside your name and your profile picture. So 1,000 points is actually equivalent to $1. So you just have to save up points to make more money. And to earn more points and to earn more money, what you're gonna do is click and do the tasks. Some tasks, they tell you to install an app. Sometimes they'll let you answer a survey. Some will even ask you to install a game, make in-app purchases, but we're gonna ignore those, and then we're just gonna focus on those that don't require you to pay anything at all. So, every advertisement partner and each offer wall, they provide up to several hundred tasks that you can actually take part in. They also offer survey walls and it also pays you a couple of cents to a couple of dollars, and it really depends on the type of survey that you're taking up. And that's one thing that you should know, is that this website actually works for all the devices, like I said already. So you just have to remember this, okay? Before we get on to the real money making part, if you're having fun with today's video so far, then make sure that you like this video, subscribe, and if you aren't subscribed yet, of course, comment about all of the wonderful things that you're loving so far, or maybe leaving some suggestions down below. Anything and all will be appreciated. Now let's get back into the video. So, you can actually just check out which of these has the most number of great offers, like the options, as you can see, and then you can just pick one out of those options if you feel like they pay you a good amount of cash, if they are the easiest among the options. And that should be good enough for you. And if you do these tasks, you're gonna gain more than enough points after doing each task in freecash.com. And when you have like a decent amount of points, which is equivalent to a decent amount of money, then you can actually claim those points, and you can either transform it into maybe cash via PayPal, and there are other e-wallet services, and you can even get them as digital gift cards if you like in maybe Google Play Store, Amazon, iTunes, Visa, Spotify, and a lot more. So if you think that this website isn't legit, it's not trusted, you can actually look at the live results and you can see 1,000 other people cashing out their money in real time on this website. There are also testimonies and reviews proving that this website is real, is true, it's legit, and it pays on time and gives decent tasks with decent amount of payments, as well as surveys to do. So if you have the time, the users are very friendly in the chat as well. Withdrawals are very easy to make, and there are a lot of support, there are a lot of help on this website, which is absolutely amazing and which is absolutely what we want. And you can earn as much as $100 every single day while just, you know, spending a couple of hours going through the website, doing a few things. Maybe when you have like free time to do anything at all, that is already such a big help. Now, you have to remember that you have to be consistent, okay? A lot of these people who are already earning this much extra cash, this much earning money, there are those people who really make time to go onto the website, log into the website every single day, and doing the tasks, taking up really random surveys, taking up really random offers, because it will really help them the most, and it shows, and you can see it in the results, you can see it in the proof, you can see it in the reviews and the testimonies. So there really is no reason for you not to trust this website. So if you guys want to go ahead and do that, start right now, because right now is the best time, because not a lot of people know about it yet, so there's not much competition. So when you go in right now, the transactions and all processes will be smooth, and you don't want to miss that. So make sure that you try out freecash.com, follow everything that I had just taught you and told you guys, and that is pretty much everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.